Welcome everybody to the introduction episode of the road to the PRS final. Now, first of all, I really do hope the audio comes through correctly on this video. I am out here at Sungiti Game Lodge. The wind is howling today, but I really wanted to get this done, especially at this venue. It's probably one of the best venues in South Africa. It's actually the venue South Africa used for the 2028 IPRF Centerfire bid. It's also the home ground of the URC, the Ultimate Rifle Championship that I own and manage in South Africa. If you haven't seen it, you should come and join us. It's a series that is mainly focused on getting new people involved in the sport, growing the sport, and also giving the top guys out there challenging course of fires to make them better and hopefully see them grow and perform on the international stage. But to get back to the series, this is my personal road to the 2026 PRS final at Little Rock in the USA. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Pieter Neethling and I am a PRS competitor in South Africa. I also own a small business, Fanatics Gear. That is my main employment, and we service the precision and long range community in South Africa. I'm traveling with two other gentlemen in Dirk van Staden and AJ Duisel. Both myself and Dirk are open division competitors, and AJ is a factory division competitor. I will take you guys all the way through from the gear that I use. It will be specific to chat a little bit about every single item that I use, why I use it, and give a shout out to those brands and relationships that I've also built. I'll take you through how I do a load for my competition setup, setting up my competition setup, and actually taking you along on days when I practice. Now, this is not something that I have been doing over the past 2 seasons, but at the start of this year, well, not the start of this year, only a few months back, I really started putting in a little bit of time, due to the fact that competitors in South Africa have grown at a rapid rate and have become really, really good. You cannot just pitch up at a match and expect to perform. So I will show you guys what I do in practice sessions to be better, what I do in matches, what I write down, why I use Apex Optics as my preferred binocular for spotting at PRS matches, why I use the Calypso AB Mini paired with AB Quantum and the Garmin Fortrax 901 as my ballistic solver and wind solution. The tripod that the camera is mounted on is a Fat Boy tripod, and I really do believe that that is probably some of the best tripods on the market, and I'll go through it and show you guys why. I'm using a Eberle stock Upranger pack for matches, and that thing is in a level of its own, but again, we'll have a separate episode on that and I will take you guys through it. My main thing about this is to take you guys along on the road to the final, especially for the South African guys that have never done this and would like to go and attend a match internationally, just to take you through the process, explain to you what you need to do, all the way from visa appointments to booking tickets to getting invite letters, what you need to do to be able to actually take your firearm all the way to the USA, and give recognition to brands that I am using. And if there is any company out there or individual that will be willing to support me in this road, I would really, really appreciate it. It is a very expensive trip to make all the way there. It's a once in a lifetime thing, and all contributions would really, really be appreciated. So if you are interested in getting on there, if you would like for me to do something on the channel for you or your brand or your product, please get in contact with me. I would really, really appreciate it. But there's some awesome content to come, guys. I will do that to the best of my ability. It will be raw content. I am not a big video editor, but I'm going to try and make it the info that you guys get quality, that's something you can take away, and it's something that you can really, really use, and hopefully it's going to be awesome. You'll also be seeing the videos as we travel to the USA, when we are there, what we are doing, what we are seeing, and just taking everything in when we get there, and see if we can bring the experience of match directors from that side, competitors from that side, and everything from that side to South Africa and help grow the sport in South Africa. Guys, I really do appreciate every single person that watch our videos, that support me personally with my my competition, that supports our business, Venatics Gear. If this series is something that you would like to follow, that you would like other people to see, please subscribe, please share this video, and be on the lookout for all the upcoming episodes. And we will see you in the next one.